Have you ever felt like giving up? Because you tried and tried, but for the 100th time, the stars just won't align. Have you ever had a broken heart that
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So loves, in today's video right here, we are at the hospital. We came to give baby girl her 2 years immunization. Okay love, so this is a weekend vlog. I'll be taking you all in what we'll be doing this weekend. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Kindly like the video, share it, and subscribe as well.
Mona, you can't go there. The doctor is coming. Doctor will beat you now.
So guys, right here we're waiting for them to come and give her injection. She had 3 injections that day, and after this I will drop her home and I will head to the market. Okay love, so keep on watching to see how we spent our weekend. So loves, I'm back home and these are the things I bought there on the table. Okay, I did a different market haul, okay, on what's cost of living in Abuja, Nigeria, the market, how prices have gone up. Okay, do well to check the video out. And also I will also be doing a video by I cooked the food I made. I'll do a separate video for that. Okay, that will be dropping to in the channel. So right here is just me showing you guys how we spend the weekend, because if I compile all those videos together, this video is going to be extremely long. Okay love, so here I'm just going to be sectioning the plantains and the rest, like preparing things I want to cook, used to cook the food. All right, so if you're watching this extent and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So this is just me slicing dividing the plantain, dividing the plantain and prepping everything that I want to use to cook the food. Then here I'm already cooking, like I cooked the food, which is in another video. So I'm just showing you guys how my Saturday, this was Saturday night already, how my Saturday was going. So guys, right here I am done cooking and we are having our dinner. Okay, so we're having our dinner. I'm feeding baby girl as well, and after this I think that was the end of my Saturday routine. I told you guys that I did a video whereby I was cooking and everything, so it'll be a different clip. Okay love, so because I don't want it to be too long. So this was the next day. Okay, this was Sunday evening, because I had nothing much to do in the beginning of the Sunday. So this was Sunday evening and I had lot of clothes to wash. So here I am sectioning, like dividing our clothes from the white, from the colored and everything. I'm going to section everything, then I'll put them in the washing machine. So this would be like a Sunday evening routine with me. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
Me, I don't spoil the washing machine. What is it full? Is the washing machine full? You want to carry these ones? Pack all of them. Pack all. No, leave this one. Pack all that one. Let's go and wash it. You pack, take it. No, go and put it in the washing machine. Hey, Washing machine. Should we have put it in the washing machine before? You have packed like 3 sets now. Now you're doing like you are tired. Huh? Please go downstairs, go to watch the match now. Mama, it's not, don't close it, it's not full yet. Thank you. You have took all these ones inside. Yes, my handy girl. You did so well. Thank you. The rare food my daughter eats. Spaghetti and ketchup. Super weird, right? Yeah. So guys, as today is Sunday, as I'm washing the clothes in the washing machine, yeah, I have this food to arrange. Decided to do some deep treatment for my hair. Go to my hair channel to see the treatment I did. I also did treatment on my dad's hair. Mama, come. Keep the bread. I did the treatment on her hair. Oh my gosh, she no agree. Mama, my own hair. Want now about girl child. You have a girl child. Anything you do on yourself, definitely you're going to do it for her. Yes. Mama, I'm washing plates. After I wash your hair, okay? What do you want? She want to cry. But at the house, that's why I tie up wear top bra. So love, that's a quick audit. Let me finish washing the dishes and arranging the kitchen. I didn't cook today, so I cooked the scratch. I did I cooked rice and beans with plantain. Rice and beans with plantain. Our water situation is bad. It's really bad. Cook rice and beans with plantain with that stew. Yeah, today is Sunday. We eat rice. Let's hold this water, wash this clothes because I can't deal. I can't deal right now. Yes, your hand, what happened to your hand, baby? Is washed? It's dirty. Sorry. I'll do it faster because I don't understand this word. This is your body temperature. Sorry. Sorry. You want to rinse it? You want to wash your hand? Okay, let Mama finish. You wash your hand. Let Mama finish. You wash your hand, okay? Now I need to edit this other vlog. My God, God help my life, oh. Help my life.
Have you ever had a broken heart that even time won't heal? Because you'd rather feel the pain than say goodbye. I know I have drowned in holy water and my spirit shaking. If you've ever felt like, can I get a amen? Amen. Can I get a amen? But we won't be knocked down forever. We will rise back up again. So can I get a amen?
I know it's bitter, but you're having fever. You know whether it's the hotness or you're having normal fever after your injection yesterday.
Sailing a sea of tears, caught in a storm of fears that rages through the night. And do you ever wish that time could stop so you can finally breathe and find a
This is the stew from yesterday. I cooked rice and beans. I fried some plantain. Now we'll eat this afternoon. I hope you enjoyed the weekend vlog with us. It was just a short weekend, it was not something too long anyway. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, and leave a comment. This tea hubby bought. I tested the tea today. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. I'll show you guys. This tea is so amazing. Go get yours. Like, you know, this is so amazing for bloatness. Like, it's so good for bloatness. If you're bloating, drink this. It's so refreshing. I'll take another one this night, sir, first. That's the tea. It's very nice for bloatness. So I was feeling I was having bloatness wherever this morning, and I drank the tea and I felt much better. I don't know whether it's only me or all moms that have given birth. When is that time, or almost that time of the month, do you feel bloatness? Like, the bloatness today was so much. Like, I was being asked, are you pregnant again? The belly was just as I drank that tea, at least it went down a bit. Not too much, but at least it went down a bit. So I will drink it again today. So I recommend you try that tea. That tea is magical. I love. So let me now miss now. Let me go and bath madam, wash her hair, bath myself and wash my hair, and we'll call it a night. So go to my hair channel to see the hair treatment I did on my hair, and I'll see you all. See guys.
So loves, I just finished bathing madam and I'm wearing her sleeping clothes for her to sleep. I've washed her hair, so I give her night shower and I'm trying her clothes. So I also take you guys along in my nice skincare routine. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video to this end. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it.
Sit.
I see love here. I see smiles and laughter.
Mia, let me brush your hair. Remove the dirt from your hair.
I see hearts that'll trust in each other for the rest of their years.
Mia, get up.
I see family. You'll help grow up strong.
Let's show them your hair. Let's show guys your hair.
Knowing
See her hair? Very coily.
to the life
Don't mind the room. The room is all messed up.
through sunshine and rain. It's good all the same. You'll face it together, share more than a name. Through sunshine and rain, you'll come out okay. You're never alone.
Aya, get up.
On the path that you take. I see love here.
Turn your front. Your front, baby.
I
Turn
see
your
mommy
front.
so tender and sweet. I see half of yourself in the other, together complete. Through sunshine and rain, it's good all the same. You'll
Let me
face
see.
it together, share
Okay.
more than a
Turn.
name.
Say good night.
Through sunshine and rain,
Stand.
you'll come out okay.
Stand now.
You're never alone.
Yeah, your hair is very fine. Say good night.
I see you.
Say good night.
Very
Guys, this is what I have to clean. Either this night or tomorrow.
see love that you hold each other. Now to
What are you singing? You, chicka.
So loves, right here I am doing my skincare routine. Is the same product I use in the morning, I use at night. I don't have a night product, okay, not yet. I am thinking of getting some night products, but I'll see about it. Yeah, so I'm just going to use the same thing I use in the morning, I use it at night. Yellow. So I'm going to clean my face with this my beauty baby face toner. Okay, then after I clean my face, I'll use my vitamin C syrup. Madam is here as I'm doing the voiceover. My vitamin C syrup. Then after I use my vitamin C syrup, I'll use my CeraVe lotion, like the moisturizing lotion on my face, and I will call it a night. I hope you enjoyed today's video with us. You spent the weekend with us, me going to the markets, immunization, and cooking. I really cooked a lot this on Saturday, which I had to divide the video so that this weekend vlog don't get so long. And after that, on Sunday, I didn't do much in the morning. It was in the evening I had those clothes to wash, and I did my hair routine, which was in my hair channel. And right now I'm done with baby girl. She's with her dad. Dad is trying to make her to sleep. And right here is just me time, mommy time. Yeah, just glow. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video with us. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, let me keep on doing my skincare routine.
Fireworks like the 4th of July.
So loves, I'm done with my skincare. I always mix my body oil. Okay, I mix my body oil inside my body cream. Yeah, that body oil, this jojoba skin lightening oil. Okay, so I mix it into my cream, and this is what always give me that glow. And it's finished. I need to get a new one. Okay, so this is the end of the video. All right, so this is my face. This is how I glow to sleep, and I'll see you all our next one. All right, loves, take care.
Just to stare, I get those butterflies. I tell myself this time I won't catch feelings, but still I feel them. Cause I heard it all before, broken record store. I see us together all the time, only in my mind.